I'm going to show you very quickly how to remove like superfluous garbage from the WordPress interface. Right now you can see like there's a lot of stuff on there that you might not want to see there. Like, I mean, maybe you just want to have the content. You don't want to have these weird things here, and often there's also like some crap in the bottom of the page where you like in the footer where it says like something like powered by storefront and WordPress, like this kind of powered by WooCommerce, like these weird things. And I'm just going to show you very quickly on how to, like a basic technique, how you can remove the stuff without thinking about like what kind of theme you have, or it will work on any theme basically. Okay, now we go ahead and see how it's done. So we go to customize to open like the theme editor, and then we go to additional CSS. Like any kind of theme should have this this option where you can add additional CSS rules. One important thing to keep in mind is that you cannot really damage anything here. Like you could always remove these CSS rules and you go back to the state you were in before. So you can just play around, like don't worry about it. So now you go right click and inspect element, and then your browser will like open this weird looking thing on the left side. And you can see like as you move your mouse across across these weird code things here on the left, some things are highlighted on the right. So there's a relationship between the stuff here and the stuff on the left and the stuff on the right. And especially if you have to look out for these class equals and then something. So later on we will see we can add this name like posted minus on and remove the part that is marked right now. So let's see how it's done. So I want to remove this posted on date because it doesn't matter. Like just cluttering the interface. So we do this by adding like a dot and then the name of the class, like posted minus on. And then we have these weird curly braces and just put like display none in there, and then it will be gone. You see, bam, it's gone. And we can do this with any CSS class or any element you see on the left and on the right. Like you just go inspect element, see what is the name of the class, and then you remove it this way. Just write a dot, then the name of the class. Like now we want to get rid of the author, like nobody cares who wrote the stuff. And then like the comments as well. If there are comments, they will not be shown now anymore. And now also this category uncategorized. Like, I mean, if there's only one category, why show it? It's just like uses information that makes the site look more ugly, so can get rid of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The other thing that's worth mentioning is like, you see the first CSS rule in there, dot site info and then a. It means like that the link element inside of the element that has the CSS class site info is gone. And this is why there's not this kind of powered by WooCommerce and storefront in the bottom here, because I just wanted to have it gone. It's just like, I mean, it's ugly. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. And afterwards you can just press publish, and then all your site visitors will be greeted with a more beautiful page. Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.